must be supported by smaller subarguments. 6.2.8.1 Evidence. Most sections consist primarily of evidence. Supporting reasons. Sketch the evidence after the reason it supports. If you have different kinds of evidence supporting the same reason, group and order them in a way that will make sense to your readers. 6.2.8.2 Explanations of evidence. You may have to explain your evidence, where it came from, why it's reliable, exactly how it supports a reason. Usually these explanations follow the evidence, but you can sketch them before if that seems more logical. 6.2.8.3 Acknowledgements and responses. Imagine what readers might object to in your argument and sketch responses. Responses are typically subarguments with at least a claim and reasons, often including evidence and even another response to an imagined objection to your response. 6.2.8.4 Warrants. If you think you need a warrant to justify the relevance of a reason, develop it before you state the reason. If you're using a warrant only for emphasis, put it after the reason. If you think readers will question the truth of the warrant, sketch a subargument to support it. If readers might think that your reason or claim isn't a valid instance of the warrant, sketch a subargument showing that it is. 6.2.8.5 Summaries. If your paper is long and fact-heavy with dates, names, events, or numbers, you might end each major section by summarizing the progress of your argument. What have you established in that section? How does your argument shape up so far? If in your null draft, those summaries